Oh, good morning everybody. And the weekend starts with 10 hours of sleep. Yes, that's right, you gotta look after yourself. But let's see what the day has in store for us. We'll do a bit of a what I did in a day or eat in a day. Let's just see where the adventure goes.
I wanna jump around when I think about yesterday. Your smile, your style so fly, my oh my. As time stood still, I got the urge to steal a kiss, and so I did. Now I'm embarrassed, but just a little bit.
I just topped up my public transport ticket, and that's one thing I have to really recommend Helsinki on. The public transport is amazing. I think for like around 60 euros, you know, there's bus, tram, one metro line. It's not like London, there's one line, but it is so convenient, so accessible, and can get you around from everywhere. Actually, little unknown fact, about 4 years ago when we were thinking about where to live, we were going to live in Manchester or Helsinki, but we figured out, like, hey, living in Manchester, we're going to have to own 2 cars and have to pay for, like, you know, count road tax, maintenance of a car, the car itself, the fuel, and to be a little bit more eco and everything. It actually worked out cheaper to come and live here in Helsinki, where the cost of living is a little bit more. But yeah, that's like a quick little insight there. We're gonna get a bus, we're gonna go and run a few errands, and we've got a few little extra plans planned for the day. So, as I said earlier on, I'll bring you along. Any questions, leave them down below. Always happy to get back to you. Who watched that Adidas shoe review? Well, Emma clearly did, because we went to the shops and now she wants a pair of them as well. So we just tried on a new pair for Emma and we're more than likely going to get them. The only thing is, unfortunately, like here in Finland at the shops, it's 160 euros. So we can save about 30 to 40 euros by buying it online. Always like to try and support the local shops, but I don't know. What is it? What would you do in that situation? Spend 30 or 40 euros more to spend in the shop, or, well, I guess it's Intersport, which is a global corporation, or buy it online. Looking at running shoes, nice smoothie, and now we're out running. Well, I'll be honest with you, what's happening now, right? I'm not feeling 100%, I'm not sure. Emma's got like a bit of a back end of a flu. So many people at my work have had the flu. And it's that mental game, isn't it? You're like, do I have it? And you're sort of like thinking about it. So like right now, I'm thinking, have I got those symptoms? And I feel a little bit odd, but I wasn't gonna let my mind just completely win in a way, which is because if it is a reality as well, then it's not your mind that's winning, your body that's teaching your mind what to think and do. So what I decided to do is just come out and, like, if I turn around after 400 or 500 meters, so be it. That is the that's it. And I just come to like the park near me, and I'm running triangles of all things, but I think I'm gonna head back. And like, that's one thing that I want you guys to know, you know, like, it's quite easy in this day and age when we have, you know, social media, and we idolize people and we look up to people and they're running, and we think, you know, it's who works the hardest gets what they want. But sometimes it's who works the smartest, or not sometimes, I think most of the time. So if you're not feeling your best and you go out and you try and you kind of concur with what you were thinking, then hey, call it a day. And that's going to be the most sensible thing, rather than just pushing on just for the sake of it. And hey, that's the thing I'm going to do right now. I've come out, I've done 2 kilometers, a little jogging, keeping the heart rate low, super easy. But like, I'm not ill, but I'm just not feeling good. And I think it's really important sometimes to, rather than sacrificing a whole week through being ill, so instead go back, relax, got a bit of fresh air, that's a bonus, and we can do some foam rolling instead.
And honey, on those fingertips, I promise you, oh.
There you go, as you can see, 3 kilometers. Quite a lot of people might think, oh, you'd be disappointed with that. And actually, I'm really, really happy, not just with how the run went, but being in control of myself and listening to myself and not being scared to pull the plug on something. And it's not really even pulling the plug, because I'm pulling the plug on getting maybe even feeling even worse. So a really great run, 3 kilometers outside in this beautiful misty and snowy sort of scenery. And we're gonna go inside and grab some food, because eat healthy, stay healthy.